Oh, fish on. There we go. He's a jumper. He's in the Olympics. Now if I can just bring it in.
We gotta get up to do that.
Oh. I'm glad I have my sensei here from Alaska.
It's a nice fatty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I was supposed to say that. That's
now
what
just
she
drag
said.
him on the shore. There you go. He swallowed it to his yin yang.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah. It's a nice little fatty.
Give the camera a kiss. Mwah. I think I got another fish out. Let's see. If this one's bigger, I'll keep it. Give the small one away to some needy person.
Yes. I'm very needy.
Let's go.
Just keep the tension on.
You're like, yeah, we know. I guess I'll try pink.
What color were you using?
I'm using orange and yellow. Where is he at? He's gonna jump.
He's a fighter. Oh, you got a big one. Oh, everybody stop what you're doing.
No. Trout, rainbow trout. There you go. I'm just getting him for the camera shot.
Watch out, you got a car coming.
Stop jumping around. Jumping.
Good job. Kicked my butt.
All right, I am home now, and they are in the sink. I wanted to gut them and clean them there, or let's say attempt to gut them and clean them at the lake and kind of give back to nature the leftovers, but it was just too crowded there, and I'm embarrassed enough not knowing how to get a hook out by myself when they're buried that deep. I don't want people to have to help me gutting them too, so I want to measure them first. Let's see how long they are. Their lips are straight up, tipped up to the end of the pan here, and this one is, I would say from there it's about 9 3/4 inches. So that guy was pretty close. He said it was 10 inches, and this one is 12. 13, 14 and a half. Wow, that is a beefy sucker. So let's see what I can do. I'm pulling out my little what do you call this, fillet knife. Hopefully this cuts. This was only $2.97 at Walmart, so if I'm doing something wrong, forgive me. Again, this is my first time. Well, there's their tummy. Ooh, I hope I didn't just break that. And he said on the back of the head, you kind of cut through it here. Let's see, behind there. So let me cut down. Whoa. Wow. And then you just pull off the guts like this, and all the stomach comes out. Holy smoke, it's kind of working. Kind of not, kind of yes, kind of no. Ooh, get out. Here should go down further. Well, there's that. So I got that much off. And then this right here, he said you kind of can, maybe I cut on the side of it, I think. And then I take it out with my finger. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of working. I don't know if there's more in there I need to get out. Just kind of scraping it with the tip of the knife. Big old chunk of butter this time. Have a little oil if I need it, but I don't know if I will. My wife did say, though, make it the same way you made it last time. So there's the two blades. Go ahead. I'm fishing and YouTubing at the same time. I'm cooking now. You know, catch, clean, cook. some love in here. It's funny, I had no idea how long the little propane canister works. I have to go back and count how many times I've used it, but it's still going strong. Okay, let's get these fishing. A little bit of olive oil on there. Garlic powder, and of course the Himalayan salt. Oh my goodness, it is smelling delicious. And this is tasting delicious, by the way. No, I didn't forget. I put some onions too. I chopped them up inside. I didn't put you through the misery this time of watching me take so long to gut them. I'm still not getting very fast at doing that. But the result is the same, fast or slow, right? Yeah. All right. Good. The onions are all caramelized. And I will probably take a first bite of the little one, just so if we're gonna die from this fish I did wrong, I'll be the one to die instead of my wife. Okay, give me a minute to get a fork. All right, my wife's hair is not done. She's worried she's not made up, but that's okay. We love her anyway, so I've got some skin on there, some meat on there, and the fat and the skin, she loves it all. So here, let's see how she reacts. Just open your mouth. Give us your honest opinion.
Awesome.
You love fish?
Fish.
Oh, I got a bone in there? That's a present. All right. Love you. I'll bring it in so we can eat the rest of it.
Yes, please.
All right, everybody. That's my first time cooking fish. First time. Now my 11-year-old who's never tried fish, ever. Is it gross or good?
Oh, wow. I love it so much.
Oh, she's being sarcastic. How is it for you?
It's amazing.
What'd you say?
It's good.
Do you want to be on camera?
No.